Hi friends, welcome to Pockets of Protein. My name is Chiamaka and today I'm going to show you how to make avocado toast, but with a twist and making sure it's high protein. So let's get into it. So first things first, you're going to toast some bread. Any type of bread will do. I prefer sourdough. This is the San Francisco style sourdough bread and I'll just toast it for a few minutes to my liking. The next step to this recipe is that we're going to take some eggs. I just have some here from Whole Foods and you're going to put this in boiling water to cook for about 10 minutes. While the eggs cook, we're gonna take an avocado, cut this in half and scoop it out into a bowl. I usually only use half because you'll be adding other things to the mix and it creates a larger volume, so you can save the other half for later use. The next step is to add some cottage cheese. I really like using Good Culture, but any brand will do. Once they're added together, you're just gonna mix through until you're satisfied with the combination. I usually like to make sure that there's like a uniform color throughout. And then from there, you plate your dish. So you add on the sourdough toast, you'll add on the avocado and cottage cheese mix. I'm pretty heavy-handed. By now, your boiled eggs should honestly be done. And so this is where it gets interesting. You're going to grate your egg. Yes, great. I do 1 egg per toast and it might get a little bit messy, but that's okay because the messier the dish, the more delicious it is. And that's it, guys. You have your avocado toast 2.0. It's flavorful, it's seasoned, has a lot of volume, and it's super delicious. I have the macros listed here, and as you can see, it's macro friendly and packed with protein. Like and subscribe to this channel if you love all things high protein, and let me know in the comments if you end up trying out this recipe and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.